Welcome to Seals on the Move. I'm Alex Seals, and Rosie Seals is along for the ride. We are in Murfreesboro, Tennessee at a small yet interesting mall, Stones River Town Center. There is not only a Chuck E. Cheese inside, but a bowling alley. The mall opened in 1992 and was renovated later on. The mall also has interior and exterior stores. Fun fact, this mall actually had a Walmart at one point. It's time for the tour. Let's get a move on with Seals on the Move. The ad has the new, smaller Chuck E. Cheese, but the actual sign is the old school Chuck E. Here's the directory with some unique options. A hurricane simulator. Notice how they have this in Tennessee, where hurricanes never happen. I wonder if they have these machines in Florida. There he is, Charles Entertainment Cheese in the flesh, and the gears and wires. This thing is gigantic, and it cost $1 to ride. The Central Hub, a Bath & Body Works. Imagine that. Every mall, no matter if it's well off or struggling, has a Bath & Body Works. Going old school, a mall with an arcade. Baby Yoda, he's everywhere. Apparently you can get Chinese food as a prize. Hope that machine is refrigerated. You can ride these around the mall, yes, even if you're 25 from what I've seen. Electronic Express, that's a unique anchor. This part of the mall feels empty. There are stores outdoors. Dillard's cannot be accessed from inside. A knockoff of Hungry Hungry Hippos. What do the hippos think? I'm guessing this is a gyro machine you can go upside down. If you know, tell us in the comments. This place has a bowling alley, skating rink, arcade, restaurant, laser tag, and bumper cars. This arcade makes 3 arcades in this mall. Chuck E. Cheese and the arcade we toured earlier are the other 2. Animals and the courthouse. I guess these animals are represented because they can be found in Tennessee. The raccoon is the state animal. We hope you enjoyed this video. What is your favorite mall and what unique stores have you seen at malls? Let us know in the comments. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, subscribe so you don't miss any future mall videos, share with your mall rat friends, and hit the bell icon to be notified when videos are uploaded. If you would like to support us, our Patreon link is in the description. Even $1 helps. As always, thanks for watching and supporting.